Hey guys, today's day 98 and I'm kind of excited right now because I just got a package and that package is one of the shirts that I ordered. I don't know where the other shirt is. I guess it's on its way. It probably got shipped 2 different times or whatever, but it's awesome. And instead of wearing it today, I just decided to wear it like on the last day. Just a little icing on the cake. But so yeah, that's cool. That's exciting. I was able to work a little bit on the booklet, working on the layout and trying to figure out if the whole thing goes together. I need to line up some proofreaders to help me make sure that the book is nice and professional before I order one. And I finished writing page 24 today, and I started working on the layout and everything in Photoshop like that. I decided not to record it just because I was still trying to figure out if I said everything I needed to say and where things go, and that's not always fun to watch. So yeah, that's what I was doing, and I'll just finish doing that before I go to sleep. Because I start a new job tomorrow morning. So that means I gotta wake up early, and I want to make sure I have an event at night. So I think the best time for me to try to work on the video tomorrow morning is to do it in the morning. So that means I gotta wake up early. So we'll see how that goes. But as of right now, I'm just going to keep working and try to tire myself out. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.